This is a welfare seat, specially designed for people who are inconvenient to get on end of the car. The handle can be sunk under the drawer. In the car, the style of airline, seat and car interior has been upgraded. The interior is very exquisite and comfortable, bringing parents and children on a quick and easy trip. The rear seats can be easily flattened to 180 degrees. Modification of interior details to enhance the overall texture and personalization. When traveling, one can lie down and rest appropriately. Wish the parents of the world healthy and happy.